Even when it comes to cleaning the toilet, there are many tricks that make our lives easier. One such tool is the dishwashing tab, which can be used not only to clean the dishes quickly and easily, because these tablets can also be used to clean your toilet. It may sound like a strange idea, but trust me, it works. Not only will your toilet be sparkling clean, but you will also get rid of unpleasant odors. However, there are a few simple things to keep in mind to make it work really well. Therefore, be sure to watch the video until the end. So let's do it. What we need for this: hot water. I always use the kettle for this, but it also works on the stove, of course. One dishwashing tab. One toilet which needs to be cleaned urgently. First, you will need to add some hot water to the toilet bowl so that the tablet can start dissolving. Next, you will need to take the dishwasher tablet out of its wrapper and drop it into the toilet bowl. Next, let the tablet dissolve, preferably overnight, but even a few hours should be enough in most cases. Then take your toilet brush and easily brush away the dirt, urine scale and lime scale dissolved by the dishwashing tablet. After that, use the toilet sink to flush down the dirt. And that's it. You have now cleaned your toilet bowl using a dishwasher tablet. Quick, easy and clean. But why does it work so well? Dishwasher tablets are a great way to effectively clean your toilet bowl. They release cleaning chemicals that break down stubborn urine scale, lime scale and dirt in the toilet, making them easy to brush off. They also emit a refreshing scent that makes your bathroom look clean and fresh. Ingenious, right? You can find many more tips and tricks with natural home remedies in the household and garden on my YouTube channel. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, Alex.